May I introduce myself? I'm DELS, an intelligent transport system. City problems are perfectly well known. More and more cars, increasing construction costs, constant irregularities in the public transport timetable. It's all too familiar, isn't it? While dealing with these problems, I apply the divide and conquer principle. That's why I'm based on a polycomposite data processing architecture that includes 3 levels. Level 1 is a software platform that ensures data handling. It helps me to collect, record, and analyze information. Later, I make decisions on further actions following the analysis results, as well as provide recommendations on possible improvements. Level 2 includes software-hardware complexes that I use to control any end-user equipment and transmit your commands. If a new device appears, I'll look after its immediate startup, implementing my predictive behavior models. Level 3 comprises end-user devices. I can control nearly everything. Connect me to any equipment, and I'll make terms with it. I support all standard protocols and formats. Does the device use its own protocol? Give me a moment, and it'll speak to me using one of the dialects: RS485, UART, I2C, or something else. My toolkit includes some subsystems, such as those of road traffic, public transport, street network operation, smart stops, analysis and decision-making, archive. Road traffic subsystem. I constantly analyze traffic flows, run mathematical simulations, assess changes in traffic conditions, and control them in the unattended mode. I also monitor execution of commands transmitted manually. I use a range of adaptation and coordination models. My web interface allows you to monitor the macro level of traffic conditions, while service pages help to control the micro level. Public transport subsystem. I monitor the exact route of each vehicle, timetable deviations, passing of any stops. I also keep the passenger traffic record, rank stops, provide a comprehensive route analysis, and develop recommendations for you to consider. Everything is displayed on an interactive map in the vehicle service page. Smart Stop subsystem. I provide full current information on the route, the nearest run, and its passenger load, as well as the number of buses en route. Local residents can provide feedback directly from the stop. On my display, you'll find all necessary information and polls. I can also provide tourists with hints on landmarks and how to get there. Street network operation subsystem. I can assign tasks, monitor them, analyze and make reports on their operation relative to several city services at once. When a snow cleaning vehicle goes around the city, you'll always get a report if anything goes wrong. Operation planning for the next few months? Easy enough. All participants can also exchange data in a chat room or via a taskbar. Analysis and decision-making subsystem. Do you want to figure out what is happening on the streets? I'll provide you with any analytical data having the required level of details for any operation period. Whole sets of reports and decision options for whichever situation are available for you. Archive subsystem. I keep a log of all the events taking place at end-user devices, complexes, as well as of all user actions with the interface. I have a common structured archive with different access levels. I also store all digitized documents and inform on their aging. As a conclusion, I'll tell you about my assistants. Each of them is good in its area, but together we create the synergy that unlocks its true potential in actual operation conditions. DELS RTS is a hardware-software complex that ensures efficient operation of traffic light sets, detects traffic flows, operates road controllers made by different manufacturers. DELS LS is a system comprising a road controller and some light panels. Its major advantage is informing of road users about the intersection traffic plan, thus decreasing the accident rate. Its fault tolerance is more than 30,000 hours of continuous runtime. DELS PP, or Smart Crosswalk, provides safety at a zebra crosswalk. Its camera helps to identify pedestrians, while the system warns drivers about them via a light panel and by illuminating the crosswalk itself. I'm looking forward to meeting you in your city.